potentially dangerous weather situations. Specially built radios are automatically activated by this tone to warn you of impending weather hazards in central Arizona. Tests of these radios are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of or existing severe weather in your area Wednesday, this test will not be conducted. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide the most consistent warning service as possible, this warning alarm will only be activated for watches and warnings affecting Maricopa and northwest Pinal counties. This concludes the test of the NOAA weather radio warning device. Here is the latest forecast. For the following area, in Arizona, Central Phoenix, issued at 10:55 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Today, sunny.
Who's still on?
Highs 99 to 103. Southeast wind 5 to 10 miles per hour.
Woohoo! Ah, yes. Alright, good. Everything was activated, so everything's successful. That's good to see. If you're wondering, I was gonna move everything, but I found out
Showers in the morning.
it's just my version 5 that's going dead. So, yeah. That's fun. So, anyway, I moved everything to another location. I hated it. I absolutely hated it. So I moved everything back, and now here we are with a successful RWT. Anyway, guys, I will either see you tomorrow for a possible dust storm warning, or maybe a few SVRs for Tucson. But if you don't hear me from tomorrow, I will see you next week in Tucson, because I will be going on vacation. Alright, guys, this is Recon EAS. I hope you guys liked this video. Please go down and hit that like button, and then over here there's a little red button. Could you please click that? It means that you're subscribed to my channel, and that'll be a big help to keep me going. So I guess I'll see you guys later.